Welcome to SLR Learning Planet. You have 15 questions. You have 10 seconds to solve each question. If you require more time, then you can pause the video. Which mobile company is named after a river? Apple, Nokia, Amazon, Samsung. Which country has 13 months in a year? Ethiopia, Russia, China, Brazil. Which country has a one-year term for the president? USA, Switzerland, Mexico, Nauru. BMW is a company of which country? France, USA, Germany, Italy. Paper is made from which tree? Bamboo, oak, pine, maple. Banana is the national fruit of which country? Ecuador, India, Philippines, Jamaica. Which country first printed paper currency? USA, India, China, France. Who is called the farmer's friend? Dog, crow, earthworm, butterfly. Which spice is called the king of spices? Cinnamon, pepper, cardamom, turmeric. How long does plastic take to decompose? 10 years, 50 years, 100 years, 450 plus years. Who invented the matchbox? John Walker, Alfred Nobel, Thomas Edison, Robert Boyle. Which thing freezes when heated? Water, ice, egg, mercury. Which bird can only eat when its head is upside down? eagle, flamingo, owl, penguin. Which mammal has no vocal cords? Dolphin, whale, giraffe, elephant. In which country is the death penalty given for killing a cat? Egypt, Saudi Arabia, China, UAE. What is a female donkey called? Cow, mare, jenny, ewe. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.